Welcome to Coastal 101, I'm John Kelly. When your lawnmower is well maintained, it not only cuts grass better, it also saves you money. Today, we're going to show you how to get your lawnmower ready for the season. Last fall, we drained the gas and added a fuel stabilizer. Now, we'll drain that stabilizer. While it's empty, we'll change the oil to start the season right. When it comes to the spark plug, you're generally okay to change them every other year. Not sure if it's time to change yours? Consider where you store your mower and how often you use it. If you have a riding mower, check the belt for cracks and fraying. Check the pulley too, and replace the belt if necessary. You should also check the grease on all of the wheels, the differential, and the blade. Add more to the grease fittings if needed. Be careful not to add too much. Your mower will last longer if you don't leave behind wet grass and clumps of dirt. Simply hose it down or blow it clean. To ensure your mower cuts evenly, give the blade a quick sharpening every month during the mowing season. Bring yours in for sharpening or buy a work sharp knife and tool sharpener from Coastal. Here's a Coastal tip. For best results, keep your mower blade sharp but not too sharp. Achieving a razor sharp edge will dull more quickly and bend the blade. To finish getting your mower ready, just gas it up and remember to check the oil after every use. Your West Coast owned and operated Coastal has everything you need for a beautiful lawn and garden, including maintenance expertise. We'll see you next time.